Let's face it, a lot of us are really curious to see how much YouTubers get paid. That's why you see so many videos on how much YouTube paid me or my first YouTube paycheck. So I am jumping in on this trend. I just got monetized last month and I also just received my first YouTube paycheck. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how much YouTube paid me with 3,000 subscribers, my first month monetized. Here we go. Now, just recently, I posted a video on finally getting YouTube monetized. This is the entire YouTube monetization process that I went through. So if you want to go ahead and you want to check this out, definitely do that after watching this video. But essentially, it took me 22 months to get monetized on YouTube, and I just got monetized on April 26th. That is when I started playing the ads on my channel, and today is May 24th. So let's start seeing how much I made. Real quick, YouTube monetization is where you get paid a portion of the ad revenue for the ads that run on your channel. So there are advertisers out there that want to get in front of your audience and they will pay YouTube money to do that. You'll get paid a portion of that money. Now you do have control over where these ads are placed on your video. As you can see back here, this is my dashboard where I get to decide where those ad placements go. Now this is just one way in which you can get paid on YouTube. Actually, well before I got YouTube monetized, I was actually making money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. Now that is where you get paid for recommending products or services that you do not own. Now, if you are not familiar with affiliate marketing, but you want a free tutorial on how to become a full-time affiliate marketer, then definitely check out the link underneath this video. Before I do the big reveal, I want to go over two very important numbers that are going to help you better understand why I'm getting paid the amount that I'm getting paid from YouTube. Now, first off is this playback-based CPM. Now, this is the number, this is the amount that YouTube gets paid from advertisers per every 1,000 views on my channel. This RPM is how much I get paid, my portion of the revenue cut, per every 1,000 views on my channel. Now this number, this RPM will vary from creator to creator as well as from video to video. So some of my videos have a higher RPM value than my other videos. And I'll share with you what some of those videos are so you can actually see the difference between the RPMs. Now these RPMs are so wild. They vary so much. And the reason I want to show you this RPM on this particular video is because it's the lowest RPM that I currently have on my channel. Now, I ain't mad at that because I actually make a lot more money in referral income, aka affiliate marketing, on this Ibotta app video than I do with YouTube monetization. Now, this is one of the reasons it's super important to diversify your YouTube income. I'll go over a couple of those methods a little bit later on in this video. But here we go. Let's reveal how much the RPM is on this Ibotta video. I make a whopping $1.32 per 1,000 views on this video for YouTube monetization. Obviously, that's not a lot of money, but as I mentioned before, I do make more money with the referral income from this video. Now let's go take a look at the RPM from another one of my videos. Now let's take a look at this video where I'm talking about high ticket affiliate marketing referral programs. On this video, the RPM is $34.70. That's how much I'm getting paid per 1,000 views on this video. Now, what a stark difference from one subject matter to the next, right? So in the Ibotta grocery app, I'm essentially attracting people that are more interested in couponing and saving money, penny pinching, all sorts of stuff, right? When I start talking about high ticket affiliate marketing, now we're talking about people that are more of the spenders, and advertisers like putting their products and services in front of those spenders. And that is why this particular video is able to get a higher RPM. Since all the videos on my channel have a different RPM, my channel has an average RPM. I'll be sharing that with you here very shortly. Now, if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel and you want to do it to make money on YouTube, then choosing the right niche is going to be an important part of the equation, especially if you are trying to make money with that content. Now, for example, if you are a vlogger, if you want to do vlogging on your channel, or if you are someone that wants to talk about fashion on your channel, just be aware that your RPM is going to be much less. Actually, a lot of people who are video gamers and they are sharing on their channel them playing video games, they actually get paid less than 75 cents per 1,000 views on their channel. So that essentially means that you're going to have to get a lot of views in order to make a good amount of money on YouTube with YouTube monetization. But the good news is you can make a lot more money outside of YouTube monetization, and it doesn't matter what niche you are in. Take, for example, Kelly Stamps. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, and she recently shared on her channel that she earns $40,000 a month on YouTube. Out of that $40,000, she earns $13,000 to $15,000 per month with YouTube monetization, meaning all of the ads that play throughout her videos, and the remainder of that money, or at least the majority of the rest of the money, comes from brand sponsorship deals. Now, brand sponsorship deals are where you as a YouTuber have a contract in place with a brand to promote their product or service in front of your audience within your videos. And a lot of YouTubers make a good amount of money with brand sponsorship deals. And of course, the second way to make money with your YouTube channel, whether you are monetized or not, I've mentioned this before, but it's affiliate marketing. This is where you essentially will recommend a product or service. So as you can see here, this is a video that I uploaded where I actually earn $200 per month with the Ibotta referral app. I do it mainly with my YouTube channel. Now, I share on my channel how to use the Ibotta app, and then within the descriptions of the YouTube video, I have my referral link. You can see that here, as well as my referral code. So for anyone that actually downloads the Ibotta app and uses my referral code, I earn $10 per lead. So that is one way in which you can also make money on YouTube. All right, guys, so I got a little nosy and I went to go check how much my other favorite YouTubers are making on YouTube. Vanessa Lau is one of them. At the end of 2020, she shared with us that she had about 400,000 YouTube subscribers. Her RPM was 6.24 at that time on average, and she earned $70,000 with YouTube monetization. She also shared with us that she earned over $2 million with other YouTube monetization strategies, including selling some of her own digital products using YouTube traffic. Then there is Graham the Man. He shared with us that in 2018, his channel earned $149,000 for that year for YouTube monetization. And then in 2020, his channel earned a little over $2 million with YouTube monetization. So as you can see, the more you upload to YouTube, the more you get familiar with what your audience wants, the more subscribers you get, and the more money you really start making on YouTube. Here we are. We made it to the final reveal. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me until the end of the video. Now let's go ahead and let's take a look at how much YouTube paid me with 3,000 subscribers. This is my first month monetized, and this is my first YouTube paycheck. So what you're seeing on your screen right now are the stats for the last 28 days, essentially since I've been monetized, because I got monetized on April 26th. So you'll be seeing a lot more than just my first YouTube paycheck, but you'll also get an idea of how much I'm about to make for all of the month of May. Now, let's first get started with the playback-based CPM. That number is $31.26. So this is how much advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views on my channel. Now, what I actually get paid is the RPM. That number is $16.78 for every 1,000 views. That's how much I get paid. Now, how much was my first YouTube paycheck? Well, it was about 4 and 4.5 days of being monetized for the end of April. I did meet the $100 threshold in order to get my first check, which I just got on May 21st. And that amount was $109.13. Now, How's it looking for all of May? Well, it's not looking too bad. I'm not feeling too bad about these numbers, because this is actually a little bit more than I thought I was going to get on my channel, especially after seeing other YouTubers share their numbers with all of us. But let's take a look so far how much I've made actually in the entirety of my YouTube monetization journey. As you can see here, it is $706 with 30 cents. So far, this is how much I've made with YouTube monetization. I'm estimating that for all of the month of May, I'll make about $650 with YouTube monetization. It's not too bad. You can see here, these are the numbers. This is how much I made per day on my YouTube channel. So the first day I was monetized, I made $10.58. It's not a lot of money, but it's actually the fact that this was confirmation of where I believe this is going to go, which I think is going to go in a very good direction and very quickly, rather. So I was super excited to see this. $10.58. As you can see, it started going up a little bit. It did peak at about $31.89. It's doing a little bit of a downtrend. Reminds me a little bit of the stock market. But from what I've heard from other YouTubers, it really just takes you uploading more videos and continuing to get more of that momentum going to start seeing these numbers start to really increase day by day. And so I'm excited to see that happening on my channel. Now, my first goal with this YouTube monetization is to get up to $5,000 with YouTube AdSense money only. Doesn't include affiliate marketing, doesn't include any future brand sponsorship deals. Just with YouTube AdSense money, my first goal is to get up to $5,000 per month. Now, if you want to continue following this journey along with me, then definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Later on this year, I will do another video where I share with you where my channel is, how much it's currently making, and more insights that I have about this whole YouTube monetization stuff. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, hit that like button. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.